We are Nigerians
and Hungarians.
and we honestly love both parts of our identity.
Sure, we feel more Nigerian most days.
But we've been lucky enough to take the best from both cultures.
And what better way to show that than through food?
Because growing up with dishes from two countries,
Let's just say our taste buds have the best childhood. I'll be showing you how to make cabbage or Hungarian sauerkraut, a simple, healthy, fermented dish I learned from my Hungarian mom. So, for this, I'm using 1 white cabbage and 2 carrots. Here, I've already shredded the cabbage and also the carrots and added some whole black peppercorns and a few bay leaves for flavor. Now everything's in the bowl. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt. I let it sit for 30 minutes to soften and release liquid, and then I get in there with my hands and start mixing. As you can see, there is already natural brine forming. That's exactly what we want. Now I'm adding the mixture into a clean jar and packing it tightly. As I press down, I am removing as much air as possible, and look how much brine has come out. There is actually so much liquid, I have to pour some out just to make space. Once the jar is full, I close the lid loosely and leave it like that for 24 hours. This lets any excess brine or gas escape as fermentation starts. After 24 hours, I tighten the lid and store the jar in a cool, dark place for about 1 to 3 weeks. Here it is after 10 days. Looks perfect. Over to you, Anita.
thanks. Today I'll be making one of my favorite dishes. It's full of goodness, it's delicious, and it's nutritious. And here's how I make it. I'll be making okra soup. I'm using frozen green cut okra. It honestly makes life so much easier when it's already chopped. In this pot, I've got goat meat boiling with some chopped onions, salt, a Maggi cube, and a few spices. I'm letting that cook until the meat is soft and tender. Once the meat is ready, I remove it from the pot and go in with the okra straight into that flavorful stock. Now I'm adding some palm oil, just enough to bring it that rich traditional taste. Then I add the meat back in and let everything simmer together so the flavors really come through. We're having this with pounded yam, classic combo, and always a win. Let us know in the comments which one you'll try first.